I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room they go by, we can do it anyhow. Ah, you know we'll see you through, 'cause every day we pay the price.
Hi guys, so today we are at the Jupiter Lighthouse and we're gonna do a tour of the lighthouse and the inlet and the whole of that. There's a museum here and we just decided to pop on in and see what we see. Today is another out and about with Yardbelly TV and of course the family. Yeah, and this is the scenery behind me. Hopefully you guys can see it, and we're gonna take a walk in the museum and then after that we're going to the lighthouse. Or you want the lighthouse first, Liz? Yeah. She said she wanted the lighthouse first. Joshua, where you want to go first? Wait, Joshua, where you want to go first? And say the lighthouse, I guess. So alright, make we go to the lighthouse and then yeah. It's just to see what we can see. It's beautiful. Beautiful day here in Soflo. Somebody swimming in the water and yeah, we should have just bring a swimsuit and then something, but we didn't. Let's go.
The lighthouse here. Over here there is another museum. Remember, building 16. It's called a Lighthouse Keeper's Workshop. And it sounds boring, but it's not. Let me tell you why. In 1860, when our lighthouse was built. Yeah, it's nothing though. There's building number 16. It's called the Lighthouse Keeper's Workshop. And it's really worth going into because it'll help explain how lighthouses work. I'll give you some background. In 1860, when our lighthouse was built, the most powerful internal light source you could have was a whale oil lamp. So how do you take the light of a whale oil lamp and magnify it enough that it's a navigation aid 20 or 25 miles out to sea? What they did is they went to Paris and they bought something called a Fresnel lens. And in our lighthouse, it uses 399 prisms to bend, direct, and thus concentrate the light. Pretty clever, huh? Now, when you climb the lighthouse, you're going to see that those 399 prisms have been configured into 4 bullseyes. Look very carefully. You'll see one of those bullseyes is partially held together with brass. In 1928, we had a very powerful hurricane that came through here. Sandblasted the lighthouse, broke the outside glass, and was powerful enough to actually crack the prisms. All we could do.
And we are walking on the way to the lighthouse now. Yeah, trying to outwalk some people so we can get up on the stairs quick. It's just a beautiful place, and we learned that, as you heard, we heard a little bit about the Indians and thing.
The great outdoors.
Yeah, this is an Indian place right here. This is just, you know, some information on the Indians, and then somebody always want to take picture. She love a picture. Yeah? I can't even see you though. This is, let me go. Yeah, this is all for Indian hut. Look at how Joshua does look on you like you're mad. Josh, she crazy, right?
Yes.
Him say yes. Come see. It sounds like me speaking Indian language. Eh? Come see. Come see. I'm not missing it. We can come back to it, don't it? Wow, this just opens up into a nice wide area here. Someone want some party like this at my house.
Yeah, so oh my gosh. These are all like messages, I guess, of the names of different families. I'm not sure if these were families who were in the military. I do not know, but it's a whole bunch of names in memory of different people. So yeah, and this is the pathway leading to the actual lighthouse, which is over there. Florida is so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. And I guess this was a hidden gem, well, for us, because I had no idea that this existed right here. Right? So yeah, follow the path to the lighthouse.
So all these pathways have memories, like memorials to people who may have died, all the way up. I think you just probably pay for a block, for one block. I think it's awesome. Yeah, going all the way up to the top of the hill where the lighthouse is. Let me show you guys the first glimpse of the lighthouse. Look at that. Awesome, right? Yeah, man, look at this. Wow, look at this, guys. Eh? Look at that. That's the lighthouse right there. And we're heading all the way up. See if we can get to the top of the lighthouse. Yeah? Man, Mama tell you. Let me give it a sign. Jupiter Lighthouse. Yeah. Wow.
That would be so cool. You think?
What? The what? Oh, yeah, so we're heading all the way up there now. Look at the banyan trees. Banyan trees. These are called banyan trees, I think. I'm almost certain that they are called banyan trees. Yeah? Banyan tree. Jamaicans know that tree. If you're Jamaicans, you know this big tree. Banyan tree name, I think. Yeah? Joshua, it named banyan tree, brethren. Me they rock so, you they rock so on the banyan tree. Me they rock so, you they rock so on the banyan tree. Moonshine tonight. It's not called nothing more than a banyan tree, brethren. And it's, I'm gonna ask. And that's the lighthouse right there, entrance to the lighthouse. Hello.
Trapdoor hatch, and you pass by the lantern. Everyone, make sure to duck through the door that leads out to the gallery. It's very short. I bumped my head a bunch of times. Feel good. Hold on to your hats and glasses. It is very windy up there, so you can
So we are currently gonna be going up to the lighthouse, and we're gonna try to get up there as a group. I will try to take you along the journey as much as I possibly can. Every 25 steps is a landing, so if you count the landings, you'll know that you walked over 100 steps up, and then you're gonna have to walk over another 100 steps back down. All right, so I'll try to turn around and give you some views as we go along. Yeah, so gonna try to do a continuous video. Gonna try to do a continuous video. All right, here we are on the first step. So that's down the bottom. This is just a general idea, and we're at the bottom of the lighthouse now. All right, heading inside. Hold on, let me take a picture. 1, 2, got them. Alright, let's go again. We're officially entering the lighthouse. I'm gonna try to go out, get in. Alright, so this is the lighthouse. Yeah, just showing you, and we're trying to get to the top. Alright guys, so let's go. We're gonna try to get to the top of these stairs. There you go. Go on up, see, I'm gonna try to get through the window.
Through the window?
That's the view through the first landing. Alright? See? That's the whole of Jupiter right there, so through one side. Alright? So we're going again. I mean, I tell you, you can imagine back in the day if you do this job, where you have to go up there, go guide ships. You have to get a fit man to do this. If you're not fit, you could not be a lighthouse keeper.
Landing number 2, right?
Yeah. Landing number 2. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That's the highway right there. A different angle. Yeah. Yeah. This is the rest of the property. And that's in the middle of the water. Look at it. Alright. We still got ways to go, guys. Still got ways to go. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Ready? I like this railing.
This is the view from way up now. Almost seeing the full view of the bridge. This is what? That's the inlet over there. Wow. I don't remember. Wally. Oh Lord, help us, Jesus.
Now remember to jump on in here when you get your head over there.
Yes, ma'am. Alright, so you have to duck. When you go underneath or something, yeah? You have to duck, guys. Boom, kill your head. And guys, we're literally at the top. Oh wow. Yes, sir. Hold on, let me turn this camera around. I'm trying to do this. We're at the top, guys. We're literally at the top. Watch your glasses, Josh. Wow. We are at the literal top of the lighthouse. This is crazy. Look at that. So guys, you made it, right? Josh, how you feel about it? Eh? Yeah, it's gonna be windy around there. tell me how you feel about traveling.
It's good. Trust me, this was an awesome decision to stop and do this spontaneous tour because workout, knowledge, understanding, enjoyment,
and all these things.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. No, guys, it was worth it. I tell you, it was worth it. You know, trust me. You know, he spoke about one that was that is surrounded with brass and that it broke during a hurricane.
Yeah. I don't know if you yeah, it's right there. It's that one. I don't know if you did.
Yeah, I think I can see it.
Yeah, so that was damaged in the hurricane in 1928. That was the hurricane that did the most damage to the lighthouse. So yeah, generally how it works is this spins and then the base stays still, and then the lens is really strong. So if you look up, you'll see it's just a normal light bulb. It can be seen about 20 to 25 miles at sea.
Wow. And so that bulb illuminates the entire. Wow, that's crazy. Awesome. It's my first time in a lighthouse, and I really appreciate the tour. You know, you have to. I don't know.
What?
Don't throw nothing on me. Look at this, guys. This is just crazy. This is crazy.
The gentleman was saying to look through something and you see where the light is.
I did do it, yeah. It's inside. I almost lost my hat, guys. So guys, we're trying to make it down from up there. We're trying to make it down, all the way down. And guys, if you have vertigo, you cannot do this. You understand? Because I tell you, you feel like you're gonna fall. Yeah. And here we are looking through the window of the lighthouse. Yeah. Outside again on the lower section. Almost done. Let's see if I can make it. Wow. This is crazy, guys. I did it though. I'm back on solid ground. Hallelujah. Glory. I'm back on solid ground.
Guys, look at the lighthouse. Like, look how far we were. Look how far we were.
This is the lighthouse, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. That is crazy. And I'm going all the way around. All the way around. All the way around. That is crazy. lighthouse entrance. And this is a plaque. Yeah. And there is that child of mine and this lady here. Me like that flash there a while ago. Oh my god. So we're gonna go check out this house, which is a museum. Okay, so this is a museum. Alright.
Is anyone in here looking to climb the lighthouse?
This is the...
Oh, this is pretty much like
Yeah, like a
video
360 thing. And then we have a little bit of the bulbs. This is the bulbs.
oh.
The type of bulbs, original prism lens design in 1854. So this is the original bulb. 100 watt. Can you
So
believe that?
this was powered by what?
It was powered by a lantern at first, which is just a regular lantern. And this was it, the hydraulic lamp. And then they used this, the oil vapor thing, and all of that. And then it changed gradually.
Okay.
Just a quick something. Great. You see that? Look.
Repeat that?
It doesn't matter where the light beam is. Once it hits the prism, it goes in one direction. See? See that? Every time it touches the light, it goes in one particular direction. See it? And that's how the lighthouse works.
Okay.
Original structure. This is the basement, or the lighthouse was built, and it then keep adding stairs all the way up from the inside until you get to the place of where we were. So 1852, here so was built, and then 1854, 2 years later, then build that side here.
Oh, so every
2 years.
to 3 years.
Yeah, 3 years now then build this, and then by 1860. So it took 8 years to build from this man.
Okay.
And these are original boards and pieces of the original lighthouse. See them building it there?
Oh, okay.
See them building it there?
The farthest tree marks the original site drawings done from this one photograph. This drawing is single.
See, it's mango, you know? Don't look at me, the mango, the mango tree there.
You know, say Jamaican people spot mango tree anywhere them go. Remember me tell you that. See mango? You see it? Well, I go feed. Remember me tell you that.
So this big tree here is not a banyan tree, but it's a very close cousin to the banyan tree. And so in honor of that tree, I'm gonna sing that famous Jamaican song. Me they rock so, you they rock so, on a banyan tree. Me they rock so, you they rock so, on the banyan tree. Moonshine tonight, come make we dance and sing. Moonshine tonight, come make we dance and sing. Me they rock so, you they rock so, on a banyan tree. Me they rock so, you they rock so, on the banyan tree. Ladies may curtsy, gentlemen may bow. Me not bow. We'll go down our next pathway now. Show no what go on. Who said we're not supposed to go down there? Nobody not say we can't go down there. Joshua, where you here, bro? We're going down the pathway to life. Pathway to life. Look at this. Up Nepalese. Look at this beautiful. Look at these cactus flowers right here. Wow, guys, look at that. This is awesome. Look on this. And the bees them in there. Watch it. Wow, this is so beautiful. Mind the bees stinging. Cactus. Our babies. Look here. These are graves. Pitney dead at 2 years old.
Really?
1904 and to 1906. I feel it for them. I feel it to my heart. I feel it.
Richard, son of J and M Epperson.
Tragic. It's a tragedy for me to see the babies dying. This is, and they have names for all of these bushes. You know, that's how I tell us. I like wildflowers. You know, they have names for all of these bushes. This is what you do when you get lost exploring. You understand? You just get lost exploring. Yeah. Look at that Nepalese flower. I've never seen Nepalese flower yet. And guys, there is can't go. They blocked it off right there. It's blocked off. Them a fight with Can't get to go where I want to go. Yeah. Them a fight way out. But it's gonna happen that we go there one day. Still beautiful though, still nice. Pelican Club across the bay. Yeah. Awesome. I like it. The Liberty Bell.
Can I ring it?
No. You know, see them tight up. They don't want nobody ringing it. So this is an example of a typical home from back in the day. And this is how the rooms would be, you know, different rooms. This would be like a laundry or a sewing room. Yeah. This would be a typical bedroom.
Would you leave your bedroom door this way?
No, because you're crazy. This is a typical bedroom. See, right there, so them have a chimney. So our next chimney. So you have 2 chimney in the house here. Then that bucket there for wash your face. That is, you know, Josh. Let me tell you about back in the day. This is just like our Jamaica country home. You have the bowl. The bowl with the jug is for wash your hands and your face when you wake up on morning time. That's a chimney to use.
That's chimney.
So what I want there underneath there, sir?
That's to drink your tea.
You have no sense. Are you serious right now? Guys, she has said that if you drink your tea. Who drink tea out of chimney? A 2 chimney.
I don't think that's
Me not ask you, me I tell you. Guys, somebody comment on this video. That is a chimney underneath the place.
Their chimney was fancy. Ceramic. We use
And then
plastic.
yeah, and then you have quilt bedding. See? And this was the little living room. See our grandfather clock on the wall. See one old trunk.
That was My grandfather's clock was too tall for the shelf, so it stood 90 years on the floor. It was taller by half than the old man himself, and was worth not a penny, worth more. It was bought on the morn of the day he was born, and was always his treasure and pride. But it stopped short, never to go again when the old man died. 90 years without slumbering, tick-tock, tick-tock, his last second numbering, tick-tock, tick, and it stopped short, never to go again when the old man died.
She need help. I'm gonna pray for you guys. Look on that dining table. Look on the little dining table there. And look on this piano. Wow. Family piano. Back in the day, this is about back in the day, you know. And okay, and this was, look on the home sweet home lamp. And this was entertainment after a hard day's work, you know, see. When you don't climb that the light post there, lighthouse there, this is your little entertainment. Watch your little chair with one little footstool. I tell you guys, it's amazing. Just look back in history. See the little lady and her family who used to live there. Right now, I tell you, see them look like duppy story though. I'm afraid of them whole time looking people here. Yeah, and this is a map, old map of the United States from 1888. See that? 1888, Hartford, map of the USA. Trust me. Singer, you like it? This reminds me of my grandmother's house in Jamaica though, I swear. That was how it felt, you know, back in the day. It's nice. I really enjoyed this little tour. It's nice.
Oh, and look at the door stoppers back then. It was just a wooden piece of thingy.
And this was, I don't know what this room is. Oh, the kitchen and the living room. Wow. Wow. Look on the dopey dolly right there.
You can't open it?
No. Look on that dolly right there, so see.
There's one over here too.
Look, I'm afraid of them something, you know, them something they look very much so like Clarice. Like Duppy I go rush here. Look on the stove. Wow, guys.
Where?
See down there at the back.
Oh, wow.
Wood burning stove.
I would totally have that bench.
Nice. And the look at the armoire with the stuff them.
You know what that is?
Butter churner. This right here churn butter.
Butter like
Yeah, butter and ice cream. You fill it up, you pack it with ice, and then you put the ice cream in at the middle part, and you spin it, and the whole thing spin until it do. And down there, so see something else down there, so we press meat or something, some press or something. Guys, I promise you, it's nice. I appreciate this. Beautiful. Look back in history. That 9 apartheid, see that after the museum. I want to the girl, man, about the people that used to have track light back in the day. If you are from the islands, you know what this is. If you're from Jamaica and grew up in the country, you know what this is. Can you imagine though, that in the middle of the night, if you want the number 2, you have to come out of the house. Come out of the house, come down the step and walk around yourself to the latrine.
With flashlight?
Yeah. Suppose you buck up on a alligator. What you do? If you buck up on a alligator.
Look how they make it cute with a little cutout
with a little cutout moon, I peep there after I can peep in and see who I use.
No,
I use
for the scent escape.
Oh. Otherwise you drop down in there.
Jamaican peeps, latrine.
This is crazy, man. Tomatoes, guys. Look at the tomatoes. Look there. Look on the tomato them. Joshua, I bet you $5. You can't eat one.
That's illegally stealing. What does that mean?
She's matching it. That means she's gonna give you another $5.
Okay, take it.
Me feel like say you got tomato for $5. I bet you.
These are allowed to be picked or no?
The tomatoes.
Oh, those are Seminole tomatoes. Delicious.
See, they're delicious.
Seminole, and they're the only way we can grow them is we collect some of them and we dry out the seeds.
Wow.
It is one of the native tomatoes down.
Wow.
So.
And you don't have seeds that I could grow? I mean,
no.
Wow. And they are not allowed to be picked, right?
They're protected. Gone by now. I know somebody who likes cherry tomatoes.
What's the type of pineapples?
I don't know.
Because the leaves, I noticed the leaves are a little bit different from the regular pineapples. We have pineapples growing by our house. Our neighbor grows a lot of pineapples.
Really? Okay.
And one, they're not pink, and 2, the leaves are not as spiky. So
there are apparently some 300 different varieties of pineapple.
Yeah. There's even pink pineapples.
And in the Caribbean, I've gotten pineapple. It's different in every area.
Oh yeah, we have in Jamaica. We have one that's called sugarloaf. That is
super sweet.
It's so sweet. It's like you're eating sugar. You know,
Have
it's
you
crazy.
ever eaten the blossom of the banana tree? That purple thing?
No.
It can be eaten. Yeah, you peel it all the way into the inner leaves, and then you boil it, and then you could put whatever, you could deep fry it like fish. It's good with tartar sauce. Yeah, the banana flower. Yeah.
I've never been to Jamaica. I've been to most of the Caribbean islands.
And funny enough, most Jamaicans don't eat it. It's from like Thailand and those Malaysia,
Okay.
Vietnam, they eat it. So if you're vegan and you like, good protein, and it has a lot of iron, tons of iron.
I gotta get to work. Hi guys.
We're talking about banana flower, guys. This is banana flower in its native stage, and them a laugh after me. Watch them. Them always a laugh after me when I interact with the people. They're gonna, why are they laughing at me? Wow, the lose half hour now, I promise you. So this is the banana flower, guys, in its natural stage. Yeah. They say them is no good. Them two there. The two of them is no good. Them laugh me to scan. Like me and them is not friends. See that? I survived the climb.
Babe, I would totally bring my beach chairs under here.
And just come chill.
Let me get that. Let me see. Totally.
Trust me, it's worth it, man.
You're pushing me off.
I'm not pushing you, bruh. Jeez, I'm piecing a nine. Welcome back. So now we're just gonna take a quick look inside the museum that has the Indian artifacts and all these things. Where you going, see? Should have no sense. These are from the Indian tribe that originally lived in this neighborhood. This is the skull of an alligator. So that was our tour of the museum. It was eye-opening, you know, to see and to look at the history of you know, what's going on. And trust me, when you look at what people had to endure for others to benefit, it's really tough, really tough. You know, you literally decimate one race of people in order to, you know, elevate another race. You take over them land, you inflict diseases, you bring diseases and all them things there, and you take over them land, and then, you know, you make it look like it was originally yours. Crazy, but hey, it's one of those things. We live and we learn. It was a pleasure to be here. And any last words?
It was just a fun experience, and the rich history, you know, was good to take in, and I learned a lot from, you know, everything that was there. I would literally spend a whole day just coming and reading everything, but yeah, for what it's worth, it was an amazing time.
Awesome, awesome. Josh, you want to say something?
It was cool. The lighthouse is cool, and I enjoyed it.
And so, guys, we will definitely be seeing you again as we go out and about in our local neighborhood. Well, in our local area. No neighborhood around here. Yeah, and you know, remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yardie Belly TV, we're doing it on the real. Yeah, like wow. What picture? Yeah? How am I gonna get it? Yeah, the guy took it up there. Thanks, Josh. So yeah, we're head back to our house now. And Joshua want food, the whole of want food. Hallelujah, glory. Hot callaloo burn up. Shake hala. Hot girl. Hot girl. So guys, if you want to check out the Jupiter Lighthouse, the cost to get in is $12 per adults and $6 for children 18 and under. And to be honest with you, spend the $12, man.
Worth way more.
Yeah, spend the $12. It's just a nice glimpse into the history of a thing. And the whole of the tour guide them was nice, except the little lady where they did at the museum, the last museum. She wasn't having a good day, so she was very forward with us. You know, she never was bad. She not trace we off, but you can see say she wasn't having the best of days. So she wasn't warm and welcoming and friendly. And maybe I got say to her, say, "Hey lady, you need for friendly because don't kill off the black people then." But never say it. You know, it was fun. So guys, we are heading on the A1A all the way to home, and of course we will see you on another out and about vlog. Big man thing, Yardie Belly TV, I drop the bangers, cooking, vlogging, out and abouting. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yardie Belly TV. So the thing said, out and about.